friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about 10 phrasal verbs with fall. Fall behind, meaning to remain at the same level. Sentence: Nesco company has fall behind. Fall down, meaning to fall accidentally. Sentence: I fell down and hurt my elbow. Fall on, meaning to attack fiercely. Sentence: Who will fall on the retreating army and routed them? Fall over, meaning fall to the ground. Sentence: Yesterday I slipped on the ice and fell over. Fall apart, meaning to disintegrate. Sentence: The building is falling apart. Fall away, meaning cease to support a person or cause. Sentence: After the divorce, all his friends fell away one by one. Fall in, meaning collapse inwards. Sentence: The heavy rain caused the roof fall in. Fall off, meaning become detached or to drop from. Sentence: A button fell off my coat. Fall in with, meaning accept. Sentence: It seems like a good idea, so we fell in with. Fall out, meaning come out of something by falling. Sentence: I opened the cupboard and the can fell into my foot. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.